Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. And I'm feeling it. You know when you say you're Monday, you wake up tired and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm a little tired today. Not that I had too busy of a weekend. It was just, I got a lot of stuff going on. Anyway, hope you're well. It's Greg R. Baird, Gregor Speaks, right there. Just back at it. Some exciting things that happened over the weekend. I had to put a huge seasoning order together for Gregor seasoning that I got to take up north. I'm leaving to go to northern Michigan on Thursday for Memorial Day, and I haven't been away on a Memorial Day in a while. I usually stay around here in Chicago for IML and cookouts and things like that. Not happening this year, so I'm going to go see my chosen family up in northern Michigan, which will have cookouts and hiking and all sorts of stuff, and a lot of laughs and maybe a little bit of wine. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I can't wait to see everybody up there. And I got to take all these seasoning orders up that I have too. So those of you that ordered, that are watching, thank you. You're a blessing in my life, and returning customers, thank you so much. It's just a fun little side thing that I do. I want to give a shout out to my friend. I'm looking down here because I have his book. My friend David Collins. He is an author, and he's worked so hard to get his books out, and I believe this is going to be his fourth book. His fourth book is coming out, 3 in a series, and then this one will be 4. His third one's coming out in June, right around Midsummerfest here in Chicago. But this is called Single and Cooking by David Collins, and I read the manuscript of this. He asked me to read it from my opinion, and his books all have some kind of LGBTQ plus characters in there. The Summerdale books, which I'm going to show you right here, Summerdale, you can see it. His third one is coming out. It's a trilogy. I think he wants to make this into a series, maybe on Netflix or something. But it's all about characters within Chicago, and this is more over on the East Coast. But I read this, and I have a little shout out in the book in the acknowledgement section, and also in Summerdale 3 there is a friend of a friend in the book, a character, and his last name is Baird.
Wow!
After me. So and it's a straight character, go figure. But anyway, thank you to David Collins for that. I forgot what he called it, because he puts people, friends of his and relatives in his books, and I forgot, like an honorable character or something. I can't think of the name right, but it was a really cool term that he used yesterday when I met him for coffee. So anyway, Single and Cooking, look it up. And then Summerdale 3 comes out June 13th, Friday the 13th, how appropriate. So congrats to him. I meet with him and I talk to him about my memoir and things like that, and don't know if I want to hire a ghostwriter or continue what I'm going to do, but it's about damn time that I get that done. So I need to do it. I'm way beyond writing, and I would like to have that turned into a movie, because I think my life is very movie quality with a lot of moments that I've had. It's been a full life, let me tell you. So anyway, that's what's happening, working on lecture gigs, things like that. I had to clean my car off the other day. We had this huge dust storm you probably heard about that came into Chicago on Friday. It was pretty much unheard of, but it was like something I've seen out of Palm Springs, and this dust storm came in, and so people were at the car wash on Saturday and Sunday cleaning, and it was pretty amazing. People were running for cover. So got over that at least, but now the temperatures have cooled off outside. Thought it was going to be maybe temperatures in the 60s or 70s when I go north on Thursday, but it looked like it's going to be in the 50s. But I'm just grateful. It's going to be a good time. So that's what I have going. If you're looking for a Pride speaker, June is coming up. Please check me out, GregRBaird.com. A friend of mine said, how in the community can we help you? Can we get your name out? Do this right here. Share this link and share all the stuff that I post on social media with your company, corporation, or event. Need some work, need to get my message out there in this really strange times that we're having here in the United States and the world. And my program is very inclusive, inspiring, and motivating. And we all need that. We all need a lot of love right now, so please share that. So that's all I got. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm off. I got a lot of stuff going on today. I hope you're well. Lots of love from me. And I will see you on Wednesday. All right? Take care, everybody. Have a great Monday.